I love the gold packaging as always. Loving that. Makes me feel special. Hello and welcome back to the flag lair. I have another unboxing today, and this one again is from MrFlag. More details below, but let's get going. I've got 4 rather exciting flags, so let's get cracking. This time let's see if you can actually get any of them before I open them all. I love the gold packaging as always. Loving that. Makes me feel special. Okay, right. We'll start with a rather plain red one, red and white. Let's see what this is. Now, this is a flag that I did have quite some time ago. And the trouble is the central piece was rather incorrectly coloured. So there we go. So I'm guessing you're probably beginning to realise it's black and red as well. So this is hopefully, yes, a much better version of the Egyptian flag. There we go, with a much better golden eagle in the middle, Republic of Egypt. So I'm rather happy with that one, because the original Egyptian flag that I got many moons ago, not from MrFlag of course, had a very light yellow. I've got it in amongst the depths here. Anyway, right, we could almost say, right, we'll do it again. Another red and white flag. This one, now I've got what I class as its sister flag, and you'll see why in a moment. And I mean its sister flag, because this one, although it's a slightly different shade of red, this is the Latvian flag, and I do have the Austrian flag hanging up behind me as well somewhere. Very plain, simple, to the point. I do like that. Just adds to all my slowly but surely national flags that I have. Now, can you guess what this one is with just that plain there? Let's have a look. Come on, must be simple. This is, as we get better and better, this is the updated, and I must admit, the far better and superior flag of Rwanda. I love that, and I think that's a much better stylized sun. I do like the sun on this one, and very fetching and striking on the blue background, which is what we like. Now, lastly, I think is a little bit more tricky, which is this flag here. And as you've noticed straight away, it's not actually packaged. That's because I don't think this one was simply taken off the shelf. MrFlag didn't have this particular flag in their archives, didn't have it in their shop, but they do now. So you can buy this flag. Anyway, let's unravel to show you exactly what I've got here. As we slowly but surely take it apart, unravel it. Oh yes, look at this. There. Still any guesses? This is the city flag of the capital of Finland, Helsinki. And I've had this specially made for 2 reasons. A, because I actually do like it, even though it's a busy flag. Probably even in my book, that's a busy flag. That's the first reason why I like it. Secondly, because I've been there, but I went there to do a video about this flag. But the problem is that you can't find it anywhere in Helsinki. Nobody in Helsinki flies it, which is rather a shame. But if you want any of those flags, go to the description below and you'll be able to find the links to all of those specific flags straight onto MrFlag's platform. That'll be easier. And if you want to find out more about the flag of Helsinki itself, then you're going to need to click on this video over here and follow me around the city streets of its capital to try and understand a little bit more of the history of that flag.